Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. As you can see, I'm in quite a cool space right now. I'm in Cologne and we're filming at a stream today by The Smiler. He's filming a set here. We have this amazing location. It's really cold, but it looks really good. It's pretty much an abandoned building. I think they have more abandoned buildings around here. But today I'm going to show you like the setup, what we're going to do. I'm going to show you a little bit of the set itself. Of course, we're going to talk to the Smiler. So yes, it's going to be really cool. I'm going to show you around now because this is an amazing location.
Hi, my name is Ricardo and we're shooting here at the little warehouse. It's Lost, and we're shooting with DJ The Smiler and DJ Brainstorm. These guys over there. And we're setting up the location right now. We got two Sony Alpha A7 and Panasonic D70, I guess. Yeah, I think so. I have to ask Andres about that. And we're setting up the Astera lights over there. It's like the type of tubes. You can choose like daylight, Kunstlicht. Yeah, what else can I show you? Maybe we go over to the location?
Yes.
Because DJ Smiler didn't tell me that he's a stage artist, a stage builder. He made this himself, took some stuff that was laying here all over and built up their little stage. Oh, okay. Ah, they're shooting the entrance stand over there, so we have to go. Sorry, bro. And because there's no electricity here at all, we had our heart, this generator over there. I hope it gets enough, it produces enough electricity so we can play the players and the lights that we got. But we will see. Had some trouble with this big boy there, it wouldn't start. But yeah, I think we're good now. We have like 2 or 3 hours till the set starts. Yeah, that's all I can say about the place right now. You have any questions, guys?
Leave them down in the comments.
Leave them down in the comments.
News. You are fake news. News. You are fake news. News. You are fake news.
So sadly the generator doesn't turn on. We needed, electricity because it's so cold. But I do have like a JBL boombox in my car and we have another small one too. And they have a laptop. So we're gonna fix it. There's gonna be music. And yeah, it looks really cool so far, so I'm really excited. Smiler! Do you want an intro?
Yeah, you can do one.
Can I do now? Ladies and gentlemen, today we have here The Smiler. Give it up, guys. I want to hear you scream. It's so fucking sick.
we have this everything.
So you just had your set. How did it go?
Yeah, it went good.
Yeah.
We had some technical difficulties, as you know, but yeah, it was very. You could smell the tension in the air, but it was nice. It made fun. I saw you guys dancing and smiling, so everything is fine. Yeah, I'm happy.
Yeah. You're happy with what you played?
Yep, I am. I am.
Anything you're up to right now? Because obviously we did this cool stream. Anything you're working on?
I'm currently working on improving my skills because I just started my whole journey, my producing journey a year ago, and yeah, I'm just doing what I can, like watching YouTube videos, and I have a lot of ideas, but I don't know how to process them. Like I don't know. Yeah, I have a lot of ideas, so currently I'm just trying to get better in producing. Also, I want to do more sets, but right now, because when I started the whole DJing thing, I only did sets for SoundCloud, and it was fun. It was, for me, it was like the best hobby. But now I'm more into producing, so all the DJ stuff, it gets a little bit like less interesting. It still makes fun, but it's not as cool as producing. So yeah.
You want to do a bit of both?
Yes.
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 Okay, well, we're really excited to see what you're up to because I really enjoyed the set, as people
Thank
probably
you.
saw. And yeah, hopefully we'll see you soon at an actual party.
Yeah, I hope so. I hope so. I try my best.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Okay, guys, I just put my stuff in my car. I hope you like this. They're filming the second set tomorrow, so I won't be there for that. But check out all their videos. I'll link all info below. They did some really cool stuff today, so check that out. Subscribe if you enjoyed this video. More like this coming soon. Obviously there's no real parties going on right now, but I do really want to keep going with like videos like this, so I hope you enjoy that. I'm also doing more interviews, release recap, and stuff like that. So yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye.